The Tiger King by Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurthy. Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurthy, better known by his pen name Kalki, he was a Tamil writer, journalist, poet, critic, and Indian independence activist. This story is a satire on the conceit of those in power. The story is a good mix of the supernatural, humor, and irony. The Maharaja of Pratibandhpuram, known by many names, but is often called Tiger King. And everybody who reads about this Maharaj, this Tiger King, is tempted to meet him. But unfortunately, you cannot because he is already dead. When he was born, the astrologers foretold that he would grow up to be a warrior of warriors and hero of heroes. But one day he would have to meet his death. At that very moment, a miracle took place. The baby prince, who was only 10 days old, he spoke out and he started questioning the astrologers. He said that death is the ultimate end. But he wanted to know the manner of his death, that how would he die? The chief astrologer told him that he was born in the hour of bull. That's why the reason of his death would be a tiger. But that 10 days old prince, he was not even scared. He warned the tigers to be on their guard and beware of him. Dear students, this crown prince grew taller and stronger day by day. Like other princes in India, he drank the milk of an English cow. He was looked after by an English nanny, tutored in English by an English man, and he saw nothing but English films. And at the age of 20, he was crowned the king also. The astrologer's prediction slowly reached his ears, and he went on a tiger hunt where he killed his first tiger. He was so happy that he sent a message to the astrologer that his prophecy was wrong. Dear students, the astrologer gave him one more warning. You know what did he say? He said that he might kill 99 tigers, but the 100th tiger would prove to be a fatal for him, a trouble for him. And if the king would succeed in killing the 100th tiger, the astrologer promised to cut off his tuft of hair. He would burn all his astrology books and become an insurance agent also. The Maharaja banned tiger hunting in his kingdom, and it was announced that if anyone dared to kill any tiger or to throw even a stone at a tiger, his wealth and property would be confiscated. It means it would be taken away from that person. Dear student, the king was so particular to prove the prediction wrong. That's why he took a vow that he would attend all the matters of his state only after killing 100 tigers.